Introducing Tetra by Crosskix, the next step in comfort, style, and versatility. Durable and robust enough for running, hiking, splashing, boating, or wherever your journey may take you. Tetra is made for the outdoor enthusiast that demands functionality without compromising on style. Its KPU exoskeleton, infused with fine mesh, will keep out dirt and rocks from slowing you down. With 100% water submersible and quick-dry materials, Tetra will give you the freedom you need to live a spontaneous life, wearable from the beach to the boardroom. And its fine mesh will even keep out sand. The non-slip, non-marking sole has built-in drain technology, so your feet will never get waterlogged. Had a little too much fun? Splash some water on them, and you'll be back in action in no time. Tetras perform amazingly well dressed up, but can also keep up with your fitness routine. And with our Elastalace lock system, you can easily loosen or tighten your fit. Tetra is a high-performance, durable amphibian shoe and will stand up to whatever rigors you throw at it. With Tetra, you'll wear out before they do. So go ahead, play, splash, travel, and relax in your Tetras. So versatile, your other shoes may get jealous.